In this video, I will show you how to change the default operating system in a dual boot setup. So here is what the boot menu looks like on this computer. Windows was installed first and Linux was installed last, so the boot menu is managed by the GRUB bootloader. Right now, Ubuntu is the default selection. To change it, we need to log into the Linux OS and edit the etc default GRUB file. But before that, take note of the menu order on your computer. Each entry has an index starting from 0. In this setup, Ubuntu has an index of 0, and the index number for Windows is 4. Now, if you want to set Windows as the default OS, first boot into the Linux OS. It does not matter which Linux distribution you have installed, the procedure is the same. Now open the etc default GRUB file with a text editor. And change the value of GRUB default to match the index number of the Windows entry in the boot menu. In my example, the index number of Windows is 4. After setting the value, save the file and run the update GRUB command to update the boot menu. Now, Windows should be the default OS when the system reboots. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.